Before we pick a side, let's pick a breath. And before we shout, let's listen for what's still human. This morning I ran with my longest time best friend, 37 years. Yesterday, we sat and shared memories and tried to explain why the hell we run. And honestly, we couldn't. It's just something inside us, like a quiet go. By the way, I'm Ken, the Trudge therapist. The world feels loud, divisive headlines, heavy stories. I'm no influencer. I'm certainly no guru. I'm just a minnow in a giant ocean trying to find my way and make sense of life. And while I can't explain why I run, it's the same with how I know the value of connection over conflict. I can't fully explain the value of knowing, really knowing. There are people who withstand time and distance with me. It's rare these days. I try not to focus on what appears to be the problem in this world. I'm more interested in satisfying the needs that, when unmet, are the source of the problem. And what I've learned in my 17 years as a psychotherapist is when you focus on the problem, you generally see more problems. You focus on the needs, like safety, connection, and the problems typically disappear. If we can't run toward each other, let's at least run beside each other. So here's what I'm choosing. I'm learning to listen to what lifts me. The sound of calm breath, music, shoes on the pavement, the laughter with an old friend. I'm choosing to meet myself and others in the uncertainty with compassion, no fixing, just pacing side by side. I'm learning to move at the pace of guidance, a speed that's healthy for me and for the people that I love. And some miles are fast and some miles are slow in the walk or run of life, but all miles count. And I'm choosing to trust that if we keep showing up, we'll figure out what truly matters. Just like in the African proverb, Ubuntu states, as it's translated, I am because we are, or as I like to say it, people become people because of people. Running might measure distance and one's ability to practice resilience, but friendship and connection measures belonging. And somewhere between each challenging moment, I choose to breathe. I choose to step beside. I choose to reach out to the people and the activities that remind me who I am because of who we are. So call a friend, share some miles, or just share a moment. Tell your people you love them, and take in the words, I love you too. Trudge on. Be the paradox.